Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of lesson 2 in Arvind Raja's Python tutorials. Today we are going to talk about strings. In this module we will learn what are strings, some basic operations with strings, concatenation and repetition, and some methods. So let's start. What is a string? Strings are a combination of text, numbers and characters. Some examples are Arvind Raja is an example of a string. White Tiger at 1908 is also a string. Many of our usernames and passwords are strings, and strings are always enclosed with double quotes or single quotes. And by the way, spaces count as a character. Strings can also be assigned to variables. For instance, if I say x equals hello, and I also say print x, and if I run the code, it yields hello as the output. Notice that x is my variable containing the function hello, and I didn't have to print the string as I did in lesson 1. You can also find the length of a string using the len function. For instance, if I say x is equal to hello and y is equal to len of x, and if I say print y and run the code, it would say 5 because there are 5 characters in hello. Now let's make it more interesting and say x is equal to hello space world. And can you guess what y would be, or the output of the program would be? Take a moment to pause the video and guess. Okay, so let's run the code and see what the output is. You might think that the output should have been 10, but Python counts the space in between hello and world to be another character, and so the output is 11. Let's move on to concatenation. Simply put, concatenation is just joining of 2 or more strings. So let's say x is equal to hello and y is equal to world and z is equal to x plus y. And if I say print z and run this code, it would give me hello world. Notice that there is no space between hello and world because I haven't given a space in any of these strings. Let's make it more interesting. Supposing if I say x is equal to hello and y is equal to space world, what would the output for the code be? Take a moment to pause this video and think. Okay, now let's run the code and see what the output is. So here the output is hello space world. It is because when I declared x is equal to hello and y is equal to world, I added a space in here, and so when Python interpreter concatenated, it said hello space world as the output. There's more stuff you can do with Python. You can also use methods like .lower, .upper, and .title. .upper converts a string into uppercase. For instance, if I say x is equal to hello and y is equal to x dot upper, and if I say print y and run the code, it would give me hello in capital letters. And there is also .lower, which is used to convert a string into lowercase. For instance, if I said x is equal to hello and y is equal to x dot lower, and if I run the code, it would give me hello in all small letters. There is also a title case, which is also used to capitalize each letter in a sentence. So for instance, if I said hello world, comma, my name is Hal. It would give it to me in all title cases, like this. Here's the assignment for today. Type in a line of a poem of your choice. Assign it to a variable. Now, ask Python to print the following. Print the line, then print the length of the line in a new line. Print the line in lowercase, uppercase, and title case in 3 new lines, and concatenate it into another line of your choice. Thanks for watching.